What? Your gas is empty? Oh, no. What are we doing?
So we are going to put new seats and those straps, which are not...
She keeps calling them straps, but they're harnesses.
They're harnesses, and they're actually camo.
Ooh.
And I have...
You got a nice outfit on today.
Pink seats.
Ooh, look at those. Bought with their own Christmas money.
$350.
Yeah, something like that. We also got a sound bar in from Kimimoto. Don't know if that's going in her buggy or my buggy.
I want it to be in mine.
I have a spare light bar that I found. We might be able to put that up here.
And look at my new rack again.
Woo! All right, stay tuned. See if we get these installed. All right, update time. We had some trials and tribulations because someone lost the instructions.
I did not. You did. This is all we have.
That's it. Anyway, we got the seats out. And we also have figured out the orientation of how these brackets work. So they give you these two little things.
Four.
Well, yeah. Four of them. And I couldn't figure out initially how to get them to work, but you have to remove these factory sliders and you reuse, what I'm finding out, I think you reuse everything. So instead, these little pieces get mounted like that, and then you mount all the existing stuff to it. You have to reuse on this, let's see here. I don't know if you can see down in there. You use that one bolt to bolt both of those together. There's a little Allen that bolts those two together, and we're good to go. Also, it's nice to keep that hardware intact so we can measure and measure the distance here. I come up with just a hair over 10.5 inches, and we shouldn't have to mess with it if we center it on the seat, and it should go right in.
Yeah!
Woo! All right, someone's got to go to softball practice.
I have to go to softball.
We got
our first seat in.
We did get the first seat in. That is going to look super sweet with this stuff.
Right.
The graphics. So we'll work on the second one, and maybe by the time she gets back from softball, they'll both be in there.
I have to run across. So see you.
See you.
See
Have
you.
fun.
Bye.
Well, this may not be the most professional way to do it, but we got a ratchet strap going to the tire machine. So what I found is that the bases on these seats don't expand wide enough to fit the factory rail dimensions. And so we're running into some clearancing issues with that. I was able to finesse it just enough to get those to fit, but you know, reaching your hand in there and running a wrench at the same time is a pain in the butt. So yeah, we made it work. Seats are in. I'll get this ratchet strap out here. And Matt had to go to softball, so hopefully she'll be excited when she gets back. Well, how is it?
I love it.
Seats turned out pretty good?
Yep.
Yeah? They even got a little roof up there?
Yeah.
Woo! Got this. We just need to go see our friend Dalton and put a little bend in it right there in his brake. And it'll go right down there perfectly. It'll be good to go. You gonna have some more fun?
Yeah.
Before the cold weather gets here tomorrow?
Yeah. I told Mom, move your car. That's my buddy.
I hope you said please.
I did.
Okay. Have fun. Do a peel out for me.
Yeah.
Do a peel out for me. Little reckless.